Dun-dun-dun.
What color you do for me?
White.
What color?
White, white, white.
Oh my god.
Oh, mine too.
Drink water, you don't have?
Hmm?
This water, drink.
Okay.
It's gonna be easy. So,
Me too, me too. It's getting easy. It's getting easy now.
okay, we're gonna do challenge. Who's gonna done home food fast? Always I'm win.
Wait.
Come here, beside me. Always I win. Because I'm drink water. But him is don't drink water because like this is not easy.
Wait, I just need to mix it all.
Yeah, me too. I do like this.
Because your mouth is bigger than mine.
No, your mouth is bigger, but you speak.
No.
You do. You do like this. Of course I gonna.
Your mind is bigger than mine. Your mouth is bigger.
Your mouth is very much big, but your head is very much smaller. Let's do.
Okay.
Every time I win, because like this I can have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 8. It's gonna
Okay.
8 first. Wait.
I'm gonna do a challenge, guys. So we're gonna start.
First of me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yalla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What?
Which way? Ah.
No?
Mm. I win!
No.
I win, I win.
No, I won. Oh,
No.
no, I won.
Bahawi talaga, oy.
Because it's very much of one time.
Because you throw your food.
Because I can't eat it.
You throw your food. That's why. That's why I win the game.
No, I won.
I think you learned.
Okay, tomorrow, we're gonna do the challenge. We're gonna see who's good.
Hi.
What?